Welcome back to the Snowflake Technical Series. My name is Angel Quintana, and I'm a Snowflake data engineer here at KCM Solutions. Today we'll be going over time travel in Snowflake. Specifically, we'll be covering how to recover drop tables and also how to roll back changes already made to tables. First, let's see how we can recover drop tables in Snowflake through time travel. Here we can check the results from the JSON weather data table. Now, let's say that we were to accidentally drop this table. Now we've lost this table and we've run into a problem because we can't access it anymore. We can see that we can't access this because our select statement doesn't work anymore. In Snowflake, we have a really easy fix for this. Fortunately, all we have to do is run an undrop statement. As you can see, the data is now successfully restored. And we can run statements just fine now. Next up, let's look at how we can roll back changes made to tables in Snowflake. Right now, our table has a variety of different station names. Let's say we were accidentally to update this table. Now, all of the entries will say oops. This is a problem because we now have useless data. We can check that effectively all of this information has now been replaced with oops. So how can we roll back this change? Well, Snowflake gives us a variety of tools to retrieve this information. We can get the query ID of the last update statement, and we can now run a different statement in order to replace the current table with the information before the update was made. We can now see that the trips table has successfully been recreated. And if we run our select statement from before, we now see that all is in order and that we have retrieved our data. Let's look at this visual representation of how Snowflake was able to perform this time travel. Here is an initial state of the database. Here are all of the micropartition files which contain our data. When the update statement is performed, we don't delete the old data. We retain these micropartitions containing the old data and simply create new ones. The same goes for an ELT job. As such, we can still run SQL statements over all of this data because we are still retaining this data for up to 90 days. This is how Snowflake achieves time travel. In this video, we were able to see several of Snowflake's competitive features. First of all, we were able to see the time travel in action, which is enabled by Snowflake's special micropartition system. We were also able to see incredible speed from Snowflake's compute data warehouses. In case you forgot, we were able to process several million records in mere seconds thanks to a large data warehouse. We were also able to see that Snowflake is near zero maintenance. I was able to retrieve an entire drop table with all of its content still intact in one simple SQL command. No maintenance needed. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more about what Snowflake can do for you and your company, please reach out to us by email or visit our website. Also, subscribe to stay posted for more information about Snowflake.